Hello. In this video, we'll see the alphabet Re in Tigrigna. As you can see here on the right side, we have a slide showing us the Re and its trailing alphabets. Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, R, Ro. Now I will show you how to write this fidalat or these letters. Okay, so this is Re. I will make copies of Re 7 times. Okay, so many Re's like this one here. So I will add some features like lines or rounds to make it the trailing. So okay, so this is Ru, this is Ri, this is Ra, this is Re, this is R, this is Ra. Okay, so very simple. So here I added this line to make it through, I added this line to make it Re, added Re, and then line to the right, make it Ra. Re, this round here, like this one. R, like this one, this just kind of curved line, and then R, adding round makes Ra. So when you try to write it quickly after you practice, after you finish practicing this, you will end up doing this Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, R, Ra. Okay, good. So what I'm saying is this is Re. Okay, so this one is Ru, this one is Ri, this one will be Ra, this is Re, the fifth one, Re, and this one is R, and finally the seventh one is Ra. So if you relate it, Re is here, Ru, this is Ru for example, this is Ri, this is Ra here, this is Re, this is R, and this is finally Ra. Okay, so thank you for this. I will come with other alphabet in the upcoming video. Thank you. Bye.